Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Storm Track 7 meteorologist Andy Cassidy. On this Friday evening, should be beautiful weather for Friday Night Heroes and those high school football games across eastern Iowa. Temperatures kicking off in the mid-60s. Of course, you're watching this might be a little bit later. We should have a nice night tonight with clear skies, and temperatures dropping off pretty quickly by 10 o'clock in the mid to upper 50s. And with very dry air in the area, we'll be seeing low temperatures possibly in the low to mid 40s. So as you walk out the door tomorrow morning, winds will be light, but you might want to grab that jacket and maybe keep it around at least for another day. You'll be able to put it back though on Monday at the very earliest. Then as we go through the day tomorrow, here's 2 o'clock, so kickoff in Iowa City there for the Cyhawk game, roughly about 68 degrees in Iowa City. And again, that's a light wind, so it'll be a very comfortable day out there. And we'll have plenty of sunshine. A few clouds might roll in and might just because of how dry it is. But really, we should see that sunshine, that bright yellow orb for majority of the day tomorrow. And another cool night tomorrow night into the day on Sunday. And speaking of how dry it's going to be, those dew points are going to be in the low to mid 40s for tomorrow, basically off the page there, off the graphic. Then we'll be in the low to mid 50s for the next few days after that. So we have a lot of dry air in the atmosphere, and with that, as I mentioned, those temperatures are allowed to fluctuate, kind of like a desert, how it can get kind of cool at night. Not the same here, but with that drier air, it allows temperatures to fluctuate quite a bit. And so with that, low temperatures in the low to mid 40s will be close to records, not breaking records though. Many of those records in the upper 30s. I think we'll come close though to getting to that mark. Clear skies with that light northeasterly wind at around 5 to 10. And then for those college football games tomorrow, as I mentioned, 68 degrees at kickoff there at 2:30 at Kinnick with a light northerly wind. And then UNI taking on St. Thomas and St. Paul, Minnesota. Pretty similar conditions. Obviously, Minnesota not too far away. 65 degrees there with a light northwest wind. So no matter what team you're cheering for, Division I or Division III or whoever you're cheering for in the upper Midwest, should be gorgeous weather for college football. Overall tomorrow across the region, many areas I think stay right below 70 degrees, minus the Cedar Valley area there at 70. Plenty of sunshine once again with that light northerly wind around 5 to 10. Your city-by-city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. Now I mentioned, keep the light jacket handy for the next couple of days, but look at the warmth here. Sunday will be in the mid 70s. Monday we're back into the low to mid 80s, and we even get a little bit warmer after that. But notice one thing. Low temperatures are a little bit on, I should say, the cooler side. Usually when you see 90 degrees and 62 for the low, it's drier air. Again, that fluctuation of the temperatures. So with that dry air, rain chances, they're going to be hard to come by over the next 10 days. Only one chance of rain next Sunday. Otherwise, we could be possibly seeing some drought conditions returning.